Namaste, beloved friends. Welcome back to the Beyond Traveling. Today, in this video, I am going to teach you a very beautiful meditation technique, the Auma meditation. And by practicing this meditation just for 5 or 10 minutes each day, your body, your mind will change. It will heal automatically. It's a very amazing meditation technique and very simple. You can practice it anytime, anywhere, by sitting in the chair or sitting on the floor or just lying down in the Shavasana. And very simple technique, and you can practice in the morning or afternoon or evening, at least for if you give 10 or 15 minute time, you will feel the amazing benefit of this beautiful meditation technique. So I will tell you what is the meditation. So it's the chanting of A, U, Ma. So A is like opening the mouth and chanting the then chanting the U, making the round shape of your lips and chanting Ooh, and last chanting the Ma, closing the mouth and chanting So this is the Ma chanting. So when you chant this Ma, in the chanting of you will focus on your lower parts, both the feet, the knees, the ankle, calf muscle, thighs, all the lower parts you focus. Then you move up. When you are chanting the Ukara, move up on the middle body, the hands, the abdomen, the chest, lower back, middle back and upper back. You are focusing there. And in chanting of Makara, you focusing on the forehead, on face, on back of the head, neck and throat. This region you are focusing. And how you chant, it's important. So it's chanting like Aum, Aum, Aum. This is the chanting, and in the chanting you are focusing in the middle part, in the lower part and in the upper part. It's like moving of the energy. You are feeling that you are moving from the lower parts to middle part and the upper body, moving from down to up, moving from the down to up. It's like the circle of the chanting Auma, continuous. And you can practice by sitting or lying down. And so there is the 4 process of this technique. First, chanting silently. First is the chanting, just making the sound like Aum, Aum. Then the second stage is by just whispering. You just whisper and chant without any sound. This is the whisper. This is the second stage. Third stage is you just close the mouth also and mental chanting of this Auma, and closing the eyes and chanting the Auma in the mental. And the fourth and the last stage is just silent, no chanting at all, just be there at all, just in that present moment, no movement, nothing, just be in the present moment. So these are the 4th stage. Let's do the practice with me for few rounds, and then you can practice by yourself when you are free at any time in the afternoon or evening, or before going to the sleep also you can practice, and after waking up in the morning. And you can practice after each other practice, like if you practice the yoga or pranayam or breathing, you can include this also, 5 to 10 minutes of chanting. So let's start. Close your eyes, gentle smile on the face. One deep breath in and out completely. And remember, Try to make your spine straight. If you are lying down or if you are sitting on the chair or on the floor, always try to maintain your spine straight. One inhale deeply and exhale from the mouth. One more inhale and out with the gentle smile. One more inhale and exhale out fully relax. Let's start the practice with the smile on the face, with the closed eyes. You can cover your eyes if you like. Let's start. Focusing on the lower parts, middle part and upper part of the body. Aum, 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 Aum. Continue. Aum, Aum. Focusing on the lower, middle and upper part of the body with the chanting Aum, 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 Aum. Now gently the second stage, just whisper the Aum without any sound. With the focus on lower, middle and upper body. Continue the whispering of Aum. Whisper the Aum. Slowly stop the practice. Now mentally chant the Aum in your mind and focusing on the lower, middle and upper part of the body. Mentally repetition of the chanting. Continue the mental chanting. The last stage now, complete stopping of the mantra. Be just a witness. Whatever going on inside, just watch without any judgment. Complete stillness of the body. And if there are any thoughts, let them come and go without any changes, without any judgment, without thinking that these thoughts are good, these thoughts are bad. The thoughts are just thoughts. You are not the thoughts. You are not the mind. You are the watcher. You are witnessing them. Feel this stillness of the body and the mind after chanting the Aum. The amazing benefit of this Aum. Feel inside your body. Feel this amazing energy. One inhale and exhale out. Slowly move your fingers, move your toes. Come back into the body consciousness. Gently open your eyes. So this was the practice, just a little bit, just a glimpse of the chanting. Hope you practiced with me and you can feel the difference within these 3-4 minutes of chanting. There is lots of difference in the body and the mind. And if you can practice this meditation technique for 15 or 20 minutes each day, you can feel the healing effect. Your body and the mind will heal automatically, because all the healing energy is inside our body. We just need to awaken it. So by this chanting, by this small practice of meditation, you can awaken this energy which is sleeping, which is dormant inside you, and you will see the amazing benefit. And this is, I don't have word to express these things, but it's really amazing, this chanting of Aum. So enjoy this chanting, do it for every day, at least for 20 minutes, or according to your age. If you are 25-year-old, do it 25 minutes. If you are 30-year-old, do it for the 30 minutes. If you are 60-year-old, do it for the 60 minutes. So do according to your age and feel the benefit, feel the calmness and the love and all the beautiful energy from inside. So Thank you for watching me. Thank you for doing this practice. Hope you can heal yourself. Hope you can spread this love and thankfulness to all the universe. Be happy, be peaceful, and be loving. Bye bye. Love you all.